Have you ever been diagnosed by a TCM doctor or acupuncturist with low immunity? Do you often have breathing issues, seasonal allergies, a sensitive tummy, skin issues, or mental health conditions like sadness or grief? And did your TCM doctor say to eat special foods to improve your immune system but you aren't sure how to cook them? Then this cookbook is for you. This cookbook will teach you about the fundamental TCM theories responsible for having healthy lungs and a strong stomach. The Improving Immunity Cookbook explains why you may have low immunity. It gives lifestyle and food therapy suggestions for boosting your lungs and improving your gut microbiome. Plus, insights into emotional causes, and dozens of delicious immune-boosting recipes. Just search Dr. Evan Pinto on Amazon, and the book will show up on the results page. It's that easy. Dr. Evan Pinto is a licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist. He has been practicing in Shanghai, China since 2012. Along with treating patients, he is a professor at SMIC Institute of TCM in the Philippines and has also taught at Shanghai University of TCM. Kimberly Ashton is a 5 Elements wellness coach, food educator and author who helps people achieve their health goals by integrating Western nutrition and East Asian culinary wisdom. Her focus at Chi Food Therapy is to support your journey towards better balanced life energies. Go to Amazon.com and search Dr. Evan Pinto to order your cookbooks today.